Do you want me to take you home?
No.
So you can see Mommy and Daddy?
No.
Why not?
Me too.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Me too, my bunny, my house.
What's at your house? Boogeyman?
Yeah.
There's no boogeyman at your house.
Right.
There's no boogeyman. Mommy and Daddy are there. So do you want me to take you home?
No.
You want to stay at Nunu's?
Yeah.
Just want to stay here forever?
Yeah.
Do you like your Nunu?
Yeah.
You do.
You tell me my house.
You want me to come to your house?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to come to your house to take you home. But then I'm coming back to my house.
No.
Mm.
Me take you out.
Oh, okay.